there are already some jobs which run in the background which uses AI components, and they try to look at what are the locations, what are the items which are being picked or transacted more number of times. If you have noticed, when you go to supermarkets, the items which they want to sell, if it is on sale or if it is something that is fast moving item, then they usually keep it at the entrance or near the entrance of the aisle. What happened was, traditionally the pick face locations or slotting was done on a fixed place. They have definitely reaped benefits by doing this optimization of slotting, and there the AI driven classification of ABC analysis is very helpful. That's a good question. So Infor is working very aggressively on AI. Artificial intelligence and machine learning is being introduced in multiple products, including Infor WMS. And there are already some jobs which run in the background which uses AI components, and they try to look at what are the locations, what are the items which are being picked or transacted more number of times, and how are they placed, how are they slotted, where the location is. So there are jobs which can be activated, and these jobs can suggest which items are fast moving items, and based on that where all the slotting can be done. So definitely Infor WMS has the capability to identify the fast moving items and then identify what are the optimal slots where those can be placed for improving the pick efficiency. If you know the items which are going to be fast moving and you will be getting the orders on a frequent basis, then typically you would want them to be located at the right location. Especially if it is a fast moving item, typically you don't need to walk a long distance to pick them up. If you have noticed, when you go to supermarkets, the items which they want to sell, if it is on sale or if it is something that is fast moving item, then they usually keep it at the entrance or near the entrance of the aisle, because that is easily available for the customers. Same way in the warehouse also, the general rule is all the fast moving items which are maybe could be a seasonal item, maybe it is only fast moving for few weeks or months, so those are slotted at the entrance of the aisle, so that when you get the order, you are going to get those orders frequently because they are fast moving, and multiple customer orders can come for those items. So you will be keeping it very close to the entrance of the aisle, so that the pickers need not walk a long distance to grab them, to pick them and bring them to the outbound lanes. So this is something that is going to be very, very useful in case of AI being used to identify the ABC classification, or AI being used to identify the fast moving items, and automatically it will suggest, or users can use this information to identify the fast moving items and use this information to specify the slots where to store the or define the pick face locations for those items. So this is definitely going to improve the warehouse throughput. In Infor, slotting is also available as a dynamic slotting functionality. What happened was, traditionally the pick face locations or slotting was done on a fixed place. For every item, a fixed slot was defined for picking. But Infor also provides another option which is called as dynamic slotting, where you have multiple pick face locations, and you can actually, based on the customer demand, based on the orders, system can suggest which items to be replenished to a particular pick face locations. There are other methods also where you can have a forward pick location, which can be done in a two-step way. So you can bring the bulk items to the forward pick locations, and then from the forward pick locations you can do the picking. And once the whole batch is managed, then the remaining balance items, you can put it away and bring the next batch. So using the batch pick also you can manage, but this slotting for dynamic, if the demand is more for a certain item, then the process function can be modified a bit. The configurations can be changed to handle heavy operations or high volumes also. So in this case, dynamic slotting is a functionality which is available in Infor, where a fixed pick location is not defined for an item. The same pick face can be used for another item based on the demand of that particular day. Basic idea is, if the item is placed in the correct slot, it means that you are traveling less to fulfill that order which requires the item. So if the item is placed in the nearby slots instead of distant slot, then the picker has to travel less distance to fulfill the order. So in that case, the travel time is reduced. So indirectly, more number of orders can be fulfilled in a short time. And that way the efficiency of the pickers will improve. And definitely the more number of orders can be fulfilled. So this is something that is very useful. And if AI driven job is identifying the fast moving item, and then based on that the slotting is done properly, then it will definitely improve the speed of picking, because you have to travel less distance to pick that particular product and then fulfill the order. If we are analyzing the inventory churn of a particular item, based on that, if we are able to get the correct data, then if the items are also stored. So in typically what happens, you have in any warehouse, you have a bulk location where you are keeping the bulk stock, and then you have the forward pick locations from where you pick the cases or loose pieces. So now when the slotting is done properly for those items which we expect that it will be the seasonal product, which we expect that more number of orders will come for those items, it is a fast moving item. So in those cases, if the storage space, if the slotting is done properly, then system will drive the replenishment also. And when the system is able to drive the replenishment in a faster way or predictive way, so you will define the min and max for a particular slot, and based on the order volume which are expected, the system will ensure that the right inventory is available at the right pick face location. So when you start the operations, then you are ensuring that the stock is already available and picking can start. Typically what happens, if you especially talk about replenishment, it can be done. There are few customers who are having replenishment run, which is before the shift starts. So what they do is they look at the orders for that particular day, and then before, let's say the shift starts at 8 o'clock, then from 7 to 8, 1 hour before, they run the replenishment shift, and all the equipments are engaged, users are engaged to do the replenishment to fill the pick locations up to the maximum level based on the demand for that particular day. And then the picking shift starts, then they are not waiting for the replenishment to get completed because the stock is already available. There are many other customers who are doing the replenishment parallelly. So as and when the picking is happening and it is depleting the stock at the pick face location, then the replenishment is triggered dynamically, and the pallets or cases, they are being replenished from the bulk location to the forward pick location. So both options are available. You can either plan it before the shift, or you can do it dynamically during the shift operation also. The major KPI which will define success for slotting is if the orders are fulfilled at a faster pace. If the throughput of the picker is more because the product is slotted at the right location, it's not difficult to access those locations. So this is something that is very, very critical for whether it is AI driven or whether it is a manual slotting, based on the throughput, based on the order fulfillment speed. That is the key. Why do we need right slotting? We need slotting to ensure that, how we say that it is a fast moving product. A fast moving product is going to be ordered by lots of customers. For example, if you get 100 orders per day, then at least 80 orders should have that. So it's like a Pareto rule where 20% of the items are being ordered by, let's say, 80% of customers. So then you know that this is something that is fast moving and you need to slot it in a right place, because more number of orders you can fulfill if it is at the beginning of the aisle or which is easily reachable. So it need not be. There are customers, it depends on the warehouse layout also. Some warehouses have racking, so the ground level locations, they are considered as a pick location. There can be a mezzanine floor also, there can be shelving also. So depends on where and how the products are stored. The slotting is very important if it is fast moving item especially. The main KPI we need to look at is, are we able to fulfill efficiently? Are we able to pick faster within shorter period of time? Are we able to pick maximum quantity? Yeah, so definitely the slotting using the AI. As I said, AI can help us to identify what are the fast moving items, and using these fast moving items, the slotting can be done properly by the warehouse team. And using this, we have customers who do, it's not a everyday exercise. So this analysis of fast moving items, ABC classification, is typically done at least once in 6 months or maybe a year. And based on that, the layout and the slots are being changed for our customers. Some of our customers are doing that, and they have definitely reaped benefits by doing this optimization of slotting. And there, the AI-driven classification of ABC analysis is very helpful. And this has led to increasing of efficiency up to even 25% from the existing efficiency. They were able to increase 25% of their throughput.